What vlog number is it? 5. Say the intro. Storm Chasers. The U word. What's the U word?
Wait, what?
What's the word?
Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Part 5?
5.
Part 5.
Why is Cody eating
Bomb.
that?
My dip cone!
We're eating. We're eating food.
We are eating food.
I got the McChicken and the Big Mac.
Make me off food though, because I can't do anything.
I ate a double quarter pounder with cheese.
There are so many people.
This lemonade sucks, by the way. This lemonade.
I'm gonna show you a picture.
Whenever you come to the Baltimore area, do not get the lemonade. It is tart and it doesn't taste like lemons at all.
Because literally, at the back,
Coke?
we were the rarest.
We were. Pretty great.
Worse than
So,
the North.
it took me like a half hour to get my food. They didn't even call my number. So that's cool.
Literally, the only event there's any of us in is.
Are you looking at a napkin?
Yeah, look at all this chocolate melted off.
So it's
Mostly everybody here is racist. People that work fast food places, they're racist.
How?
Ask him.
I didn't get served because I'm white.
Pretty sure that's not how that works.
No, I went to Popeyes. Me, Luke, and John. Luke and John are black. We were both asking for refills on our drinks. She gave John a refill, gave Luke a refill, gave Luke his drink, and then turned around and walked away when I was standing there with my cup asking for a refill. And I had to wait for the manager.
no, Mom didn't
Maybe she was just
care
busy.
to work
Nope.
this big.
She was busy.
You don't know that?
She did that with me as well.
Her son was
'Cause you're white.
I'm pretty sure she had a heart attack.
Those were white.
She was like, oh, Lordy, oh, Lordy. Like,
Aren't we,
no,
aren't we past that stage in our history?
We have an accent.
it was super
It's called regular speaking.
That's not what it's called. I don't think it has a name.
It's called West Coast.
Called English.
It's called West Coast.
West Coast. Say hi, Kelsey.
Hi, Kelsey.
I'm gonna put myself on my stuff.
Yep. So we're gonna eat. He's gonna finish
Yeah.
lipping his ice cream, and we're gonna go look at some cool stuff.
Okay.
Oh, one more. That's very suggestive. Peace out. Aw, fail. So I'm gonna do it again. Peace out. Da, 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 da. Turn off.
It's not stopping.
It's not gonna turn off.
It's not gonna stop?
Great. I will. I'll take it.
Nope.
Why isn't it?
I'm just gonna. Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Extra Part 5.5. Enough said.
Turn off. No. Because you're touching your screen. No.